Best KEA curtains in the market. Number 1. Ikea LILL Sheer 2 Panels Curtains. If you are looking for a sheer curtain mainly for such purpose with a cheap deal, this is a great option. It comes with 2 lace curtains measuring 98 inches in length and 110 inches in width, giving you enough material to customize your desired look. Made from 100% polyester, you can also trim their length without the worry about hemming them. It is also a good mosquito net alternative and can be used on the patio to prevent mosquitoes and bugs from entering. Number 2. IKEA MATILDA Sheer Curtains 1 Pair, White. A white cotton curtain, with its simplicity, can add both coziness and elegance in a room. A pure white, made with 100% cotton, these curtains can make any room, hallway, etc. look better. The added patterns also help change the vibe of the place, giving it more elegance and femininity. They are long, so you have to cut and hem them to your desired length. They make sure to block the sun glares along with giving the room the perfect amount of daylight. Number 3. IKEA Lenda Curtains with Tie Backs. With a shockingly low price, these curtains are a hit not only among buyers but also designers. Just upping your budget a little bit is going to get you these almost high-end expensive-looking curtains. Using an iron-on hem strip, you can easily cut and hem the curtains as you like. The cotton material of the curtains is soft and clean, almost making it look like linen. The curtain's material is not too sheer or heavy, giving the perfect amount of sunlight to the room. Number 4. IKEA Mesh Lace Curtains, 1 Pair, White. These mesh curtains, made from 100% polyester, measures 98 inches in length and 110 inches in width. Being polyester material also gives you the freedom to trim them as you like without hemming. Coming with 2 panels or a pair, it also has a rod pocket, making it easy to hang them directly using curtain rods. The sheer mesh material of the curtains can help prevent bugs and mosquitoes from entering. Furthermore, if you are looking for a mesh curtain to use on your back or front patio, this is an excellent choice. Number 5. IKEA LILL Mesh Lace Curtains, 8 Panels, 4 Pairs. With the almost endless ways you can use mesh curtains for decorating your home and living area, but you probably can't get enough of it. Thus, buying many pairs can get expensive. So, if you are one of those people, here is a great deal for you. This mesh curtains come in a pair of 4 or 8 panels, with almost half the price you would pay for other mesh curtains with the same amount. As the fabric is 100% polyester, there is also no need to hem them.